Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on BLACKVIEW Tab 13. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. Now click install. And now you can click open, and here you can make your Firefox your default browser, or you can click not now, and now you can sign in to quickly switch between your devices, or you can click not now, and now your Firefox browser is ready to use. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.